This video is all about the Avid CNC 3-axis CNC router. Let's get right to it. Alright, so here it is, our brand new world of CNC machining. And so we're starting with this Avid CNC, and it's a 3-axis CNC router. There's some things that we've had to learn as we go, and some basic steps to basically any CNC machine. You need to be able to create G-code. And G-code is the machine code, the program that the computer understands and tells the computer where to go, how to move. So once you've created the G-code, you need to export it, whatever software you've used, into the software that is specific to this machine. And in this case, the Avid CNC runs on what's called Mach 4. Once you have loaded the G-code into Mach 4, then you have to start up the machine, and we'll go through this in a little more detail in future episodes. Home the machine, set the offsets using this Z offset touch plate, which is an automated way of showing the computer where the stock has been placed. From that point, we can start the CNC program, or the G-code, and the computer will go ahead and make those cuts for us. So this is Mach 4. This is the software that Avid uses to drive the machine. And when it connects, you get this preview of the work area. So you can see that's the box that the machine can cut in. It's real simple. Just start by jog the machine around just by using these little push buttons here. Homing the machine. Alright, so we just loaded the G-code just to sample. You can zoom in and out or change the viewing angle. That gives you an idea of where your project is relative to the build volume. So basically we have this yellow dotted line on the edge of the build area, and then we have the green, which are our tool paths. So we want to make sure that those tool paths don't go outside of the build area. So we can jog the tool, and that will allow us to see red lines where the tool path is, so that we know if we're going to interfere with any of our work holding devices or anything like that. Alright, so now that we've cut our wasteboard, we've got these little screws that go in through these holes and right down into the T-tracks below to anchor the entire wasteboard down. And then we can go over the board with a flattening bit to get it exactly flat so that all our parts will be very precise. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more video content, and stay tuned for part 2 of the Avid CNC wasteboard.